This could be one of the biggest 3-bedroom apartments in Merrylands. With these enormous living rooms, tiled floors, and house-like proportions, we have 3 private balconies, all in the cover and giving you an indoor and outdoor feeling. Stone benchtops, gas appliances, and sun-drenched balcony that flows into a separate dining room. Sun pouring in, family at the table. That's the lifestyle. This apartment has more space than most houses, with 2 secure parking spaces with a lift right to your floor, with schools, shops, and just a bus ride to Parramatta CBD.